Good morning everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about AI helps discover new battery material, Google and Samsung introduce quick share, Starbucks CEO lays out expansion plans in India, Kohler launches voice controller, Baidet seat, scammers target individuals with fake Ram Mandir inauguration tickets, WhatsApp introduces in-app sticker creation, Netflix ad-supported plan gains popularity. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. A team led by Indian scientist Vijay Murugesan has discovered a novel battery material that could reduce lithium use by 70%. The Microsoft Quantum team used AI and supercomputing to identify approximately 5 lakh stable materials within a matter of days. The AI-derived material operates as a solid-state electrolyte, facilitating the seamless movement of ions between the cathode and anode with minimal resistance. Initially, scientists believed that sodium and lithium ions could not coexist in a solid-state electrolyte system, but through rigorous testing they found that the sodium and lithium ion seem to help each other. The newly discovered material presents a promising alternative with its solid-state electrolyte offering enhanced stability and safety, addressing concern about lithium scarcity and high cost. Next, we have Google and Samsung have partnered to introduce QuickShare, a new file transfer tool for Android users. QuickShare, previously known as Nearby Share, will be available on more PCs in 2024. QuickShare allows users to select the device and contact to whom the file needs to be shared, offering a better alternative to Bluetooth for the file transfers on Android. Android users will see the change to QuickShare in February, providing them with a feature similar to Apple's AirDrop for seamless file sharing. The move is expected to improve compatibility with more brands signing up for the file transfer tool on PCs, enhancing the user experience for Android users. Starbucks CEO Lakshman Narasimha announced plan to expand its presence in India, aiming for 1,000 stores by 2028. The ambitious vision aligns with the Triple Shot reinvention strategy, which aims to create a vibrant cafe culture in the country. Starbucks, in partnership with Tata Consumer Product Limited, has expanded its footprint significantly with over 390 stores across 54 cities and a workforce of around 4,300 partners. The company is also focusing on elevating the coffee journey in India with plans for the second Starbucks Reserve store and the introduction of the Starbucks Reserve Whole Bean Coffee Monsoon Malabar from India. Starbucks and Tata Starbucks are set to widen vocational skills training for underprivileged young women, collaborating with the Starbucks Foundation and Trust for Retailers and Retail Associates of India to provide workforce development, training, skills enhancement and mentoring to 2,000 young women by 2024 across key cities. At CES 2024, Kohler has launched the Pure Wash E930 Baidet seat, which can be controlled via voice commands via Amazon's Alexa or Google Home. The Baidet seat is priced at $1,290 and comes with features such as a Baidet spray warm air dryer and UV cleaning. Users can also activate the Baidet spray warm air dryer and UV cleaning features through their digital assistant, offering a convenient and hygienic experience. The seat also features child mode with soft and gentle wash option and oscillating or pulsating spray options, providing a customizable and comfortable experience. The launch of the Baidet seat is part of Kohler's innovative offering at CES 2024, which also included other unique gadgets and devices. Cybercriminals have initiated a fresh campaign to exploit people through WhatsApp messages, offering free VIP entry to Ayodhya temple on 22 January. The initial messages include an APK file labeled as Ram Janmabhoomi Grah Sampark Abhiyan APK, which poses a significant threat if downloaded. The scam specifically targets individuals eager to witness or enter the temple on the inauguration day, and it is advisable to exercise caution when coming across such APKs distributed via third-party sources. If you receive such messages from an unknown sender, take prompt action by reporting and blocking the person and file a cybercrime complaint without delay. Do not click on such link and avoid forwarding such messages to your contact to prevent the spread of the scam. WhatsApp is introducing a new feature that allows users to create custom stickers within the app, eliminating the need for users to download third-party apps. The feature, which was spotted in the WhatsApp beta for iOS 24.1.10.72, is currently available only to limited beta testers and is expected to roll out to more users in the coming weeks. Users can edit existing stickers by selecting the Edit Sticker action or create stickers from their images, providing a more personalized and expressive experience. Additionally, users can remove the background of an image without using third-party tools or native iOS and Android features, enhancing the sticker creation process. This feature will be useful for many who rely on WhatsApp for their conversational needs and will improve the experience of WhatsApp users who want to express themselves more. At last, Netflix ad-supported tier is becoming increasingly popular with over 23 million global active users per month, according to Variety magazine. The ad-supported plan was launched in November 2022 in 12 markets, including the US, to attract more customers and add a new revenue stream as competition for online viewers intensified. A year after its launch, Netflix said the ad tier plan had reached 15 million active users per month, and the streaming giant has been hiking prices on its ad-free options to nudge more subscribers to the other tier, where commercials help bring in more revenue. According to a report, 85% of Netflix customers on ad-supported plan are streaming on the platform for more than 2 hours per day, and an insider intelligence report projected that Netflix is set to pull ahead of Disney Plus in the race for US advertising dollars next year. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.